In April 2015, Iran unveiled its latest domestically developed military vehicle, the Aqareb, signaling a continued emphasis on self-sufficiency in defense production. The Aqareb, an 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicle, represents a modern reinterpretation of the classic Soviet BTR-60PB chassis, modified and adapted to meet the unique requirements of Iran's military. By integrating indigenous technologies and design elements, the Aqareb reflects Iran's strategic doctrine of asymmetric warfare and sustained battlefield mobility. The Aqareb distinguishes itself from its predecessors and regional competitors through its modernized design and functional versatility. Built upon the chassis of the Soviet BTR-60PB, it retains much of the proven mobility and adaptability of the original platform, while incorporating a range of significant upgrades. A raised suspension system enhances its off-road capability, allowing the vehicle to navigate Iran's diverse and often challenging terrain, from mountainous regions to arid deserts. The hull is constructed using all-welded steel, a standard practice in modern armored vehicle design, providing protection against small arms fire and artillery shell fragments. An additional layer of armored skirts over the road wheels enhances survivability by shielding the suspension system and deflecting projectiles. The front hull of the Aqareb is noticeably elongated compared to its BTR-60PB predecessor, with reinforced glacis plates designed to improve ballistic protection and facilitate water entry for amphibious operations. These features demonstrate an evolution in design aimed at meeting the demands of both conventional and unconventional warfare scenarios. The vehicle's powertrain remains somewhat enigmatic, with official sources not disclosing specific engine details. However, it is believed to be equipped with a diesel engine, reflecting Iran's preference for this fuel type due to its availability and efficiency. The engine's placement at the rear of the vehicle, coupled with a robust 8-wheeled transmission, ensures reliability and ease of maintenance, a critical factor in prolonged deployments. The crew configuration has been updated to accommodate 4 personnel: a commander, driver, gunner, and loader. This is a notable improvement over the BTR-60PB's 3-person crew, providing greater operational efficiency and flexibility. The crew resides in the forward and mid sections of the vehicle, with access to enhanced observation and communication systems for improved situational awareness. The Aqareb's primary armament is a 90mm cannon housed in a power-assisted turret capable of 360-degree traversal. This weapon is designed to deliver effective firepower against both armored and unarmored targets, making it suitable for fire support roles. The turret is also equipped with a modern fire control system, enabling the crew to engage targets with greater precision, even in adverse conditions. Secondary armament includes a 12.7mm heavy machine gun mounted on a cylindrical outcropping at the rear of the turret, providing additional firepower against low-flying aircraft, drones, and lightly armored vehicles. A 7.62mm coaxial machine gun complements the Aqareb's arsenal, offering effective suppressive fire during close-quarters engagements. These features highlight the vehicle's versatility and capability to operate in a range of combat scenarios. The Aqareb's armament suite positions it as a valuable tool for infantry fire support and reconnaissance missions. Its weaponry, while not groundbreaking, offers a balance of firepower and flexibility, ensuring its relevance in both conventional and asymmetric warfare. Although the Aqareb's operational history remains limited due to its relatively recent introduction, its design and capabilities suggest a range of potential deployment scenarios. It is well suited for roles such as battlefield reconnaissance, fire support for mechanized infantry, and border security operations. The vehicle's mobility and armament make it particularly effective in mountainous and desert environments, where its ability to traverse difficult terrain and deliver firepower can be a decisive factor. During the Iran-Iraq War, Iran demonstrated a propensity for modifying and repurposing older military hardware to meet battlefield demands. For example, the BTR-60PB, widely used during the conflict, was equipped with Zu-23-2 anti-aircraft guns to provide mobile air defense and support against ground targets. The Aqareb represents a continuation of this tradition, leveraging lessons learned from past conflicts to create a platform capable of addressing modern threats. In addition to domestic deployment, the Aqareb could serve as an export product for Iran's defense industry. Given its relatively low production costs and adaptability, it may appeal to nations seeking affordable alternatives to high-end Western or Russian armored vehicles. Potential buyers could include countries in Africa, Central Asia, and the Middle East, where cost and reliability often outweigh cutting-edge technology in procurement decisions. The Aqareb is a tangible manifestation of Iran's broader defense strategy, which emphasizes self-reliance, asymmetry, and adaptability. By developing indigenous platforms like the Aqareb, Iran reduces its dependence on foreign suppliers and mitigates the impact of international sanctions. This aligns with the country's long-term goal of establishing a self-sustained military-industrial complex capable of meeting its strategic needs. The vehicle's dual role as a reconnaissance and fire support platform reflects Iran's focus on flexibility and cost-effectiveness. In the context of asymmetric warfare, the Aqareb's mobility and firepower enable it to perform a wide range of tasks, from patrolling contested areas to engaging insurgent forces. In a conventional conflict, it could serve as a force multiplier, providing critical support to mechanized infantry and securing key positions on the battlefield. When compared to regional counterparts like Turkey's Otokar Arma, the Emirati Rabdan 8x8 and Saudi Arabia's Lav 700, the Aqareb falls short in certain areas but compensates with its simplicity and ruggedness. The Otokar Arma and Rabdan 8x8 boast advanced modular designs, superior armor protection, and state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems. These vehicles are tailored for high-intensity conflicts and are often integrated into networked battlefield environments. In contrast, the Aqareb prioritizes affordability and practicality. Its 90mm cannon, while effective, lacks the versatility of the modular weapon systems found on the Arma or Rabdan. Similarly, its armor and electronic systems are less sophisticated, limiting its survivability and operational range in high-tech battlefields. However, these trade-offs make the Aqareb a more accessible option for countries with limited defense budgets or those seeking to bolster their fleets without incurring exorbitant costs. As Iran continues to face regional and global challenges, the development of vehicles like the Aqareb underscores its commitment to maintaining a credible and adaptable military force. While it may not rival the cutting-edge technologies of Western or Russian platforms, the Aqareb serves as a practical solution tailored to Iran's unique strategic needs. Looking ahead, further iterations of the Aqareb could incorporate advanced features such as composite armor, improved engines, and modular weapon systems. Such enhancements would not only increase its combat effectiveness, but also boost its export potential, solidifying Iran's position as a regional defense supplier. The Aqareb represents a significant achievement in Iran's defense industry, blending proven designs with indigenous innovation to create a platform suited to modern warfare. While it may lack the sophistication of its regional peers, its emphasis on practicality, mobility, and firepower ensures its relevance in a variety of operational scenarios. As a symbol of Iran's strategic autonomy and resilience, the Aqareb is likely to remain a cornerstone of its armored vehicle fleet for years to come.